everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to link projects together in Jira. So step number 1 is to create an issue in one project. So start by creating an issue in the project where the primary work will be done. So once you're done with that, open the issue details page after it's created. Step number 2 is to open the link issue dialog. In this issue details view, find the issue link section, and then click the link button, usually located under the more options. For step number 3 is to choose link type. In the dialog box that opens, you can select the link type. The most common options are relates to, for linking unrelated but relevant issues. Blocks is blocked by, for indicating a dependency between issues. And lastly is duplicates, is duplicated by, for identifying duplicate issues. Just choose the appropriate link type for the relationship between the issues in different projects. Now for step number 4 is to search for the issue in the other projects. In the field provided, enter the issue key, like for example project 123 from the other project you want to link. For step number 5 is to complete the link. After selecting the issue from the other projects, click link and the two issues will now be linked, and you can see the relationship in the issue links section of both issues. Step number 6 is to view linked issues. Once linked, you can easily navigate between the linked issues by clicking on the issues key within the issue link section of the issue details. Step number 7 is the customizing link types. This is optional, by the way. So Jira allows administrators to customize link types for different needs. If your Jira instance has custom link types configured, you'll see those in the link dialog. Now these are the key considerations. Permissions: ensure that you have permission to view and link issues in both projects. Cross-project visibility: make sure that the users have the necessary permissions in the linked project to avoid access issues. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!